Let's now solve the diff21 problem of the warm-up 1 section. So here are your 5 seconds in case you wish to attempt the problem on your own. Alright, so now I will be implementing the test cases first. Diff21. Okay. Assert dot assert equals diff21 solution dot diff21 19 10 21. Okay, let me write something first. Just to complete the test cases. Yes. Okay. 19 to 10 11 and 21 0. All right. So if I will execute these, they would naturally fail, since we have to write the logic or the solution for the same. Let's do that only. So here what we are supposed to do is, we need to return the absolute difference between the n, that is the number that will be passed in the method, and 21, except return the double of that absolute difference if n is over 21. So absolute difference is nothing but the difference between two numbers without the sign. So for example, absolute difference, if I were to show you in the main class, s out absolute difference of d and d is d. Yes, we can write any two numbers 1 and 10 is, and we can make use of math.apps method to find the difference between these two numbers, 1 minus 10. So if we were to simply subtract 1 from 10, 10 from 1, then the difference would be minus 9. But in case of absolute difference, we are just concerned with the value. This is the absolute difference. All right. So yes, let me add the statement here. So we can write an if and else. If n is greater than 21, absolute difference, if n is over 21, then we would have to return the double of the absolute difference. Return 2 into math.apps n minus 21, else return math.apps. Now if we will execute the test cases, they should pass. But this code can be further simplified, and we can simply write it as return n is greater than 21. If that's the case, then we have to return this, else we have to return this. Let me comment this code. I would highly suggest you to be comfortable with using the ternary operator. It's quite useful and we will be making use of it wherever we can. Okay. Still working fine. Now let me use this. Now let me push this code to GitHub. Here we need to change sum double to diff21. Sum double to diff21. Okay. Git commit diff21 solution audit push. It has been added.